Hey guys, I'm refreshing the problem with PyInstaller to install Python to executable 5 or .py to .exe file. No problem. Tahamidur is here and today I will solve your problem. So here you can show a window and it's the window of console window and it's the logo of PyInstaller. So first of all, we will solve about 4 problems. You will get more and more videos on YouTube, but they will not solve about 4 problems in a video. So first problem is this console window. When we'll convert .py to .exe file or .exe executable file, at the time we get these types of console window, but it's look like disgusting. When you will share this executable file to your friends or your relatives or any customer, they will feel just disgusting with this console file because it's not cool on executable file. So today we will solve this problem, and when we will log in this file, at the time it sometimes it give me or it indirect me from the dashboard. Okay, so today we will solve this problem, and there is another problem, that is the multi-window problem. When we install on PyInstaller multi-window, here we can see more and more Python file, like here about 5 to 6 file on Python, and today we'll solve it. Okay, all problem will solve, and database problem is also solved today, also will be solved today. And here is deal problem, we will solve all of this. And there is a problem sometimes, you can say here this window is from here, this is the console window will be solved, and here we can show a icon here. Okay, in the taskbar, here is a PyInstaller default logo, but we will solve it. We will use this logo. Let's we will use this logo. Okay, we will use this logo behind the logo of default PyInstaller logo. So let's start it. So guys, today we will use PyInstaller module to install my Python file. These all are my Python file, and this is the multi-vendor project. Okay, so we will install some folder like build, image, product keyword, and all of this Python file with the file of database, and we will use icon also. Which icon? Which icon? It is that icon which will be used in the logo of behind the in the logo default behind the default logo of tkinter. So first of all, when you will make your project, it will be these types. Okay, all of this Python file here. So I have to delete some folder from here. This is the legal window. So I have opened it in VS Code, so everything is working. I want to check it. Where is my dashboard? Okay, dashboard. At first I want to check it. Okay, it's working properly. Okay, this is my multi-window, and I have used some images behind the graphics which was made by Photoshop. Okay, so I will install all of these images, all of this Python file, and all of this folder. So at first we have to give attention on the console window. When we install install a Python file with pyinstaller.py to .exe file, at the time it gives me a console window which looks very much disgusting. So today we will solve it now. For this, you have to rename the file which will be used uh, in the first window of Python executable file. So here is login.py, but we will use login.pyw pyw. Okay, it's renamed, done. Now we can see we want to open this file. Look, there is no executable, there is no console window. So it's done. First problem is solved. Now we will install this Python file, login.py Python file with PyInstaller. So we can use VS Code, or also we can use from here CMD. Our CMD is open. You have to at first you have to install PyInstaller. Pip installer, and also you can copy code from here. You will search here, search on Google PyInstaller, pypi. This is pypi.org project PyInstaller. Okay, from here you will copy this and you should paste here, but I will not paste here because my PyInstaller is already satisfied. I should not use it. So you have to give some code to install this login.py file to executable file. For this you have to write some code PyInstaller. Then we can make two types of executable file. One is one file and other is windowed. Here is more Python file. It means it's multi-window Python file. So we can't use one file. We have to use windowed. WINDOWED, windowed. Then I have to use icon, which will be used used versus of default Tkinter or default PyInstaller project. So you must assign here the icon. Icon is equal to, here is my icon. This is my icon. Icon.ico. Here you can see icon.ico. Give attention on this icon. Icon.ico. Okay. ICO and icon.ico. Then you have to give the file name. Here is login.pyw, which is the first window of my project. Login.pyw. Let's enter. Look, it's working, guys. It's working. Yeah. I hope today we will solve all of our problem, and after seeing this, after watch this video from A to Z, you can get all solution of your confusion. So you should give some times. We need to give it to some times to install. So let's see what will happen. You can say here, here is creating some file build and dist, which was not available now, but now it's available. And here we can show, you can see extra file login.spec. okay, now file is creating from here, so it gives takes some times to install. So let's see what happens. So guys, if you want to get solved from my channel, please subscribe my channel and comment which is your problem. I will try to solve your problem, okay, on Python. It will take some times, no problem, don't worry about this. So guys, now let's see my PyInstalling is already completed. Now we should check out. We have to come this file and we should open here. Two folders is created. One is build folder and the another is dist folder. We have to go dist folder, then come in login, then we will find out a software, and that's name is find exe file, that's name is login.exe. I have to open it. It gives me some error. What's that? That's our login.py line number 320 112 is module. So what we have to do, we have to give some access to here. We have to copy this file, build file, then image file, keyword file, then then this db file, and also this icon.ico. Don't forget it, okay? Then copy here, go to the dist file, login file, and then paste here. Override, I have to, no problem. So why it was error? It was error because this executable file is cannot find or fail to find this image folder on this file on this path, because it was in this path. Image folder was in this path, but uh, our executable file search this path. Okay, so that was failed. Now we should check out. Hey guys, it's working. You can see here it's working. let's let's check. Oh no, it's failed to open. Okay, why it indirect me? I have to I have to check out why it's give me indirect me. Oh, it's indirect me more and more time. I should check out. So first of all, I want to show you some code from here. Dashboard, not dashboard, login.py. OS module. Don't show this error. Here is nothing more error. Here is a error. Login.class. Okay, no problem. I will solve it later. So first of all, mm, where is my OS module? No problem. Control F, OS dot sys steam OS dot system. Uh, Here I said that when you will give the admin ID or admin password, it will indirect you to Python dashboard file. But let's see, here is no more dashboard file. Okay, .py file, no more dashboard file. Dashboard file where? Dashboard file is here. So where is my dashboard? This is dashboard file, but our executable file will search on his path, not in before path. Okay, so here there was no dashboard file, so it gives me indirect, so it indirects me more and more time. And here we can see. Okay, so this file are not available there. This file are not working properly, but dashboard file is working. Okay, so let's see what will happen. We have to copy all of these from here, without idea, package, dist, build. I want to copy all of this from here and go to the dist file, login file, then paste here. Overwrite should be allowed because I have copied some file from here. Oh, oh guys, it's working properly. Okay, now here we can see our settings file, then our dashboard file is here, icon file, category file, kdb file, dashboard file, all is here, so it should not indirect me this time. Okay, now are your problem is solved? Okay, let's slap for this. Our problem is about solved. It's working properly. Okay, it's working properly. You can see it's working properly. ID number 120, it's working properly. I want to check out. It's working properly. I want to copy it from here. I will give him admin. Okay, password 1 2, password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Salary, he is admin, so I don't want to give him salary. Okay, so guys, it's working. Update, I want to update it. It's also working. Update, save button is also working, so our product is already ready. Okay, our product is ready. So now I want to show you something. I want to give you some demo from my site. Okay, I want to install other software from here. I want to install what I will install. I want to install, let's see here. setup.exe file. Here is setup.exe file, that's from Adobe. I want to install it from here. It gives me some pop-up before install. It wants some uh, it gives me some pop-up window at the time of install, but our software don't, our executable file don't give these types of window. I want to make these types of window which will give me permission, which will include path from there. So no problem, you have to go Google. Let's see Google, and you have to write, I don't want to know, inno setup software download. It will indirect you to a software, inno setup software. You have to download it from here. Now let's see, random site, you have to download it from here. Okay, now let's download. I will not download it because I have this path. So my inno software is already installed, so I want to open it. I don't know, inno setup compiler. It will convert into compiler. Now it will give you some pop-up window, these types of pop-up window. Okay, so create new script using the script wizard. Okay, now next. Now give your what I'll say, your shop name or your software name, smart shop. This is your version, it can be anything. I want to give 1.0. Your company, your company name which will publish this software, EXIZone. EXIZone, and give here the website of EXIZone or your company name or your company website. Then next, then next, then uh, you have to give attention on this window, application main executable file. You have to browse that executable file which is made recently. So where is my executable file? My executable file is here, maybe. Okay, inventory management system, inventory dist login. Yeah, this is my executable file, login.exe, which was created right now. So you have to select a folder. Which folder you will select? Now let's see which folder I want to select. Come here, then my Python project, then TK Inter G graphical user interface, TK Inter project, inventory management system, dist file, then login. I want to select this login file. Okay, yes. Then I want to add some files. Which file? icon.ico. Then then give your next, your application name, smart shop. I want to give your smart shop name. Then come on, license file. Which is the license file? This is the license file which is mainly said as used as terms and condition. So this is here, terms and conditions. I will see here, and this is the file which will be which will show you in the right time of the installations. Here I will give the about, where is my about? Here is that smart shop details. Then this is the file which will show you after installation. I will not use this. Okay, so next, English, no problem. Output folder, this is very important, where your file will be output. Take output. So I want to uh, give permission to here, take enter GUI, Python project, inventory management system, then also inventory management system. No, dist file. I have to select dist file, then submit. Okay, your file name I will give here smart shop setup, smart shop setup. Okay, icon, this is very important, icon which will be used to identify the icon dist file. Then login, you have to select from here because you select this folder before the window, back window. In this back window you have to select this folder, so you have to always use this file. Set password, what will be work this password when anybody going to install this install this software, at the time this software installer will we want or take some password to show you the software. So I want to show you the password. You can't see the password because it will be cut. So this is the page, processor, next, finish. Let's you have to press on yes, you have to press yes. Okay, it's working. You can give any name. I'll give smart shop, then okay, it's working guys. Let's see, it's working. The green color is going from one side to another side, so it's working. I think on top that in this video you will get every questions answer of Pi installer, and next time you will not face any problem. So you can comment any others problem which I should solve. Okay, no problem, I will solve your problem. It's working properly, no problem. Okay, it's done. Then let's see. Not PC software, I want to see it here. Let's see guys, let's see. You should see, this is the icon which was used on ICO file, which is identified in this software, and also which I have give access to Pi installer. This is icon. Yes, I want to install it right now. Let's see, this is the terms and condition which was in the license file. Okay, accept, next, password. If I give you the wrong password, you can't never open this software. This is the file which was the middle file of the software. So next, you have to give the path of the file where your software will be installed. Next, yes, file folder created, create desktop icon, install. It's installing. So I hope it's very much interesting, right? I hope you will enjoy my video. I hope you will enjoy my video and your problem will be solved from this video. Now let's see, it's working properly. Okay, it's working. I want to show it from my software. This is the software icon. Yeah guys, it's working, yeah, it's working guys. This is my software, it's working properly. Oh, this error is for the database, not on a database. For this settings, there is no discount, or this setting is not suitable on here. So this problem is, or the software show me this error. No problem, it will be solved on the next video. So thank you guys, I hope you will enjoy this video, and let's share my video, comment, subscribe, and also like. Thank you.